students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 2. The last video I taught the 4 type of bills from your illustration. That illustration number, it was 6, 7, 8 and 9, where you might have seen the dishonor of the bill it was given. First illustration 2, 3, 4, 5, that 4 type of bills that was without dishonor. And now illustration 6, 7, 8, 9, you might have seen that same 4 type of bills, but it was dishonor of the bill. On the basis of the previous illustrations, now I want to tell you the again 4 type of bill of dishonor of the bill, which is from your exercise question. I solve it and I want to explain it from my notebook. Question number 4 ka 5 or page number 104. Page number 104, question number 4 ka 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 4 type of dishonor of the bill which is given in your exercise, like that the illustration number 6, 7, 8, 9, that will make it practice. Let us see the question number 5 what is given. Dashrath Bhai sold goods of rupees 1 lakh to Akash on credit, for which Dashrath Bhai drew a bill of 3 months bill of rupees 1 lakh to Akash, which Akash accepted and returned, and Akash could not pay the money on the maturity date, and noting charges amounted rupees 910, which Dashrath Bhai paid in cash, past necessary journal entries in the books of both the parties. When you will read the question, that time you will be careful the few points: who is the buyers, who is the sellers, what is the amount of the bill, which date bill is written, which date transaction has been taken, what is the durations or the credit period of the bill, when the maturity date comes, and how much is the noting charges. Dashrath Bhai is the seller, Akash is the buyers, amount of the bill is 1 lakh. Dashrath Bhai wrote a bill and he is accepted this bill, and Akash is accepted this bill, and the durations of the bill, it is given for the 1 month, but here date is not given in these questions, so no need to write the date. One by one we will write the answer. Here page number 104, question number 5, in the books of Dashrath Bhai, who is the seller, and in the books of Akash, who is the buyers, he is writing, the Dashrath Bhai is writing Akash account debit to sales of rupees 1 lakh, and Akash is writing purchase account debit to Dashrath Bhai. That is called sales transactions and purchase transactions. Next, he is getting the bill, so he will write bill receivable account debit to Akash, and he is giving the bill, he will write Dashrath Bhai account debit to bills payable. Up to this, the first journal and second journal in the books of Dashrath Bhai, first journal and second journal in the books of Akash, that every one of you know. The last journal, when that he did not pay this money and he has gone to the procedure for the dishonor, that time he paid the cash of rupees 910. He paid the cash, but on behalf of him. So he is writing that Akash account of debit of 1 lakh 910, that will come here, 1 lakh 910 to bills receivable and to cash. This is the actual journal which you have to pass in the books of Dashrath Bhai. So he is writing Akash account debit to bills receivable to cash, and Akash will write the bills payables account debit, noting charge account debit, bills payables amount account debit as bills payable was credited. So bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit 910 to Dashrath Bhai account 8 lakh 910. That is the journal. Simple bill dishonor when bill it is kept with him. Now second question, the question number 6, we will see that bill is given to the bank for discounted. Let you follow. On 1/8/16, Jayesh Bhai sold goods of rupees 60,000 to Dhabal on credit. On 3/8/16, the Jayesh Bhai drew a 2 months bill on Dhabal, which Dhabal accepted and returned. On 6/8/16, the Jayesh Bhai discounted this bill with the bank at 10% per annum. Dhabal could not pay the money on the maturity date. The bank debited an amount of rupees 60,500 to the Jayesh Bhai. 60,500 means 60,000 is the bill and 500 is the extra charge for that one, along with the noting charges. Past necessary journal entries in the books of Jayesh Bhai and Dhabal. Once again, you follow the question. You read the question twice so that you can understand. What is given it here? It is given 1/8/16, Jayesh Bhai sold goods of rupees 60,000 to Dhabal on credit. He is the seller, he is the buyer. 1 अगस्त 3 अगस्त में बिल ड्रॉ हुआ, द 2 months बिल ड्रॉ किया एंड ही हैज़ एक्सेप्टेड एंड गिवन इट बैक. 6/8 में जयेश भाई बिल को डिस्काउंट किया 10% रेट में. 60,000 का 10% रेट में डिस्काउंट किया. कब? 6/8 में. Dhaval could not pay the money on the maturity date and the bank debited 60,500 to Jayesh Bhai's account along with the noting charges, and you have to pass the journal entries in the books of both the parties. Now let you see that one in the books of Jayesh Bhai is the seller and in the books of Dhabal is the buyers. So 1st August, this is 1st August. 1st August, the Jayesh Bhai writing Dhabal account debit to sales and he will write purchase account debit to Jayesh Bhai. There is credit sales transaction, credit purchase transactions. Then 3rd of August, he is getting a bill, so bill receivable account debit to Dhabal and he is writing Jayesh Bhai account debit to bills payable of रुपीज़ 60,000. यहाँ तक आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नेक्स्ट देखो 3rd अगस्त को जो बिल हुआ था, दैट बिल मैच्योरिटी डेट इज कमिंग 6/10, 2 months credit period and 3 days grace, and discounted this bill on 6/8. 6/8/16 में डिस्काउंट हुआ. 6/8/16 में इन केस ऑफ जयेश भाई ही इज राइटिंग बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल. बिल अमाउंट वाज 60,000. 60,000 का 10% पूरा साल का इंटरेस्ट आता है 6,000. 6,000 पूरा साल का इंटरेस्ट आता है तो मतलब पर मंथ इट इज कमिंग 500 एंड बैंक वेटेड फॉर द 2 months बिकॉज 6/8 to 6/10. 6/8 to 6/10, this 2 month bank waited, so bank will charge the discount of 60,000 at the rate of 10% for 2 month. पर मंथ आता है 500 और 2 month का आएगा 1,000. तो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल रिसीवेबल, दैट इज 59,000, 1,000 and 60,000. And 6/8/16 in his book no transactions will be done because he discounted the bill with the bank. Next at the day of maturity and 6/10/16 is coming, that time he is writing Jayesh Bhai is writing Dhabal account debit to bank including the noting charges of rupees 60,500. noting charge add करके 60,500 Dhabal account debit to bank, and Dhabal is writing bills payables credit किया था, अभी bills payable debit कर दिया, तो bills payable account debit noting charges account debit to Jayesh Bhai, that is 60,500 and 60,500. So keep it mind, in case of a discounted the bill, the entry will come in the seller's books, but that time entry will not come in the buyer's book. And the date of maturity, that entry will come from both the books, Dhabal account debit to bank, because he received the money from the bank, he has given the money to the bank, and Dhabal को debit कर दिया including noting charge, and he will write bills payable account debit noting charge account debit to Jayesh Bhai. The next question is coming, bill sent for collection, which is question number 7. On 2/9/16, Rajan sold goods of rupees 89,000. Rajan sold goods of rupees 89,000 means you understand who is the seller, to Namrata on credit. On 4/9/16, Rajan drew a 3 months bill of rupees 89,000 on Namrata, which Namrata accepted and returned. Rajan endorsed this bill to his creditors Arjun. Now Arjun is the third party who got the bill from Rajan. On 6/9/16, the bill was dishonored on the maturity date and Rajan paid noting charges of rupees 440 past necessary journal entry in the books of all the parties. Here it is given all the parties. All the parties means all three parties. All three parties means one is the buyers, another is the sellers, another is the endorsee to whom you have given, the seller has given the bill. Once again I am reading the questions, you follow the questions once again. 2/9/16, Rajan sold goods of rupees 89,000 to Namrata on credit. 4/9/16, Rajan drew a 3 months bill of rupees 89,000. 4/9 से 3 month आएगा तो 9, 10, 11, 12. 4/12 के पास again 3 days, मतलब 7/12 is the maturity date, which Namrata accepted and returned. Rajan endorsed this bill to his creditors Arjun. On 6/9/16, the bill was dishonored on the maturity date and Arjun paid the noting charges of rupees 440 past necessary journal entry in the, ये देखो noting charge 440 Arjun पेमेंट किया था. Now you follow these questions answered here in the books of Rajan. Rajan is the seller, correct? And here in the books of Namrata, Namrata is the buyers. So he is selling the goods, so he is writing Namrata account debit to sales, and he is buying the goods, so he is writing purchase account debit to Rajan. So this entry is the credit sales, this entry is the credit purchase. Now he is receiving the bill, so he will write bill receivable account debit to Namrata, but date is 4/9 and he is giving the bill, so he will write Rajan account debit to bills payable. As he is getting the bill, bill receivable account debit to Namrata. As he is giving the bill, so Rajan account debit to bills payables. Now on 6/9/16, the Rajan has given the bill to Arjun. So 6/9/16 here entry will come, but here entry will not come on that same date. 6/9/16, here it is given the Arjun is getting the bill, so Arjun account debit to bills receivable. So Rajan will write Arjun account debit to bill receivable. इसका बुक में वो डेट पे कोई ट्रांजेक्शन नहीं होगा एंड अर्जुन का बुक में आएगा बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू राजन. सो अर्जुन इज गेटिंग ए बिल, सो अर्जुन इज राइटिंग बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू राजन. Next your date is coming the 7/12/16. 7/12/16 first in the books of Arjun you come. 7/12/16 is the maturity date. I have told you 4/9/16 plus 3 months 3 days. 3 months 3 days or 3 days 3 months. So it comes 7/12/16. 7/12/16 the Rajan paid the extra amount for noting charge for the, sorry, not Rajan, Arjun. Arjun paid the extra amount for noting charge. So Arjun is writing the Rajan account debit, bills receivable account debit to cash. Rajan account debit to bills receivable to cash. Rajan account debit to bill receivable to cash. To cash is 440 noting charge and bill receivable amount is 89,000 and Rajan account it is debited 89,440. So Arjun will get from the Rajan 89,440. Why? Because he had paid 440 rupees extra for noting charges. And in the books of Namrata, Namrata will write on the 4/12/16 bills payable as account debit, as bills payable it was credited, noting charge is expense, noting charge account debit to Rajan. राजन को उसने 89,440 दे देगा और यहाँ वो लिखेगा द नम्रता अकाउंट डेबिट टू अर्जुन that is 89,440. Who will write? Rajan will write Namrata account debit to Arjun that is 89,440. So keep it in mind, if bill is endorsed that time, in case of two parties you have to pass the entries, the three parties. sellers, buyers, and the endorsee. Endorsee matlab who got the bill. And the last type of bill, which is bill is sent for the collection through bank, that is question number 8 that you follow. 1816, the Dharmesh drew 1 month bill of rupees 75,000 on Abad, which Abad accepted and returned. On 2816, the Dharmesh sent this bill for collection through the bank. The bill was dishonored on the maturity date. The bank debited the amount including the noting charges of rupees 375 and bank commissions of rupees 225 to Dharmesh account. This is extra one thing it is given. On 25/9/16, Abad paid the entire amount payable to Dharmesh by a check. Past necessary journal entries in the books of Dharmesh and Abad. Question once again I am ready. You follow the question and try to understand the question until and unless if you do not understand the questions, you will not able to understand the answer. 1816, Dharmesh drew 1 month bill of rupees 75,000 on Abad. The Dharmesh is the seller, Abad is the buyer. Buyers 75,000 is the amount. 1 month credit period from 1816. 1816 matlab 4916 is the due date, which Abad accepted and given back it. Then Dharmesh, this bill on 28/8/16, Dharmesh this bill he has given to the bank for collection, and bill became dishonored on the maturity date, and bank debited including the noting charges of rupees 375. Full amount bank debited, noting charge 375. और बैंक को पास कलेक्शन के लिए भेजा था, इसलिए बैंक 225 रुपीज़ बैंक कमीशन चार्ज कर लिया. और वन एक्स्ट्रा थिंग इज गिवन 25/9/16, the again Abad paid the entire amount. Entire amount means 75,000 plus 375. Full amount he has given or he paid this through check to whom? To Dharmesh. Now you see that one in the books of Dharmesh. 8/9/16, date of transaction is not given. डेट बिल रिसीवेबल, बिल जब रिसीव हुआ था एक्सेप्ट हुआ था उसका ट्रांजेक्शन दिया, तो बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू Abad and he will write the Dharmesh account debit to bills payable. That you understand. This is bill receivable account debit to Abad. This is Dharmesh account debit to bills payable. 28/8/16, that bill is given to the bank for collection. Bill for collection through bank account debit to bill receivable. 28/8/16, bill for collection through bank account debit to bill receivable. And 28/8/16, no transactions will be given here because this is Dharmesh has given the bill to the bank. Next, the maturity date. Maturity date में that bill became dishonored. 4/9/16, and he is writing Dharmesh account, writing Abad account debit to bills for collection through bank account to bank charges account. That is how much is coming? 375 is called the noting charges. So Abad account debit, bill for collection through bank account debit to noting charge, that is bank charge, that is 375. And in the same day, bank will charge a commission for collection through bank. For that, in the books of Dharmesh, it will come bank commission account debit to bank. This is the extra journal. It is coming in the books of Dharmesh, but it will not come of 225 का amount यहाँ नहीं आएगा. So this is Abad account debit to bill for collection through bank account to bank charges account. And in his book, it is coming bills payable account debit. As is bills payable, it was credited previous journal. So bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to Dharmesh. That is coming 75,375 and 75,375. One more extra journal it is given in these questions. 25/9/16, 4/9 का बाद 25/9, 4/9 का बाद 25/9 मतलब 21 डेज का बाद उसने सब पैसा किसने दे दिया? Abad सब पैसा किसको? धर्मेश को दे दिया. तो धर्मेश गॉट बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट कितना? 75,375. और किसने दिया? Abad दिया. इसलिए एक एक्स्ट्रा जर्नल इट इज कमिंग. इट वाज नॉट देयर इन अदर्स क्वेश्चंस, but bank account debit to Abad account. He has received this, and who? Dharmesh. Dharmesh has received the all amount from Abad by check For that, bank account debit to Abad. And he has given, so he will write Dharmesh account debit to bank. कब 25/9/16 कितना 75,300। मतलब जो डिसऑनर हुआ था उसका बाद वो पूरा पैसा इंक्लूडिंग नोटिंग चार्ज दैट Bud has given money to the Dharmesh. For that, one journal in the books of Dharmesh he received this money, and one journal in the books of Abad he paid the money by check. It is given. Maturity date I calculated here 1/8/16 से 1 month, 1 month plus 3 days, 3 days 1 month, that is coming 1 month 3 days is coming, that is 3 days 1 month 4/9/16, and paid this all amount, that is 25/9/16 he has paid this all amount. This is the idea overall I have given. As much as possible I try to make you understand from this bill chapter, and you will make the practice for all type of questions, both from the illustration as well as the exercise. All these questions you will write the answer in your fair book, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and illustrations also you will go through once again. If you have any doubt at any place, you can tell me, I will clear your doubt. Hope you are understanding. Even though if it is not clear, you will tell me once again, I want to repeat it. And you have to make the fair book also. I told all the students the exercise, whatever the questions it is given, all these exercise questions you have to write in the fair book in a systematic manner. Okay, bye, all the best.